video of the Tec Lighting coating machine, 30-inch machine, 30 by 40. This is the main body, the coater, heat lamps, rollers. There are 3 extra rollers, polyurethane rollers with it. The control panel. The mesh that feeds it through, it's very clean. One of the rollers that's still installed. Inside. I'm going to open the side doors up here. Let me just turn that on. Open the side doors, please.
Side doors? Yeah, I need that.
Oh. This is the, you got that? We'll go to the other one. This is the inside here. Okay, you want to close that? And open the electrical doors over there. Yep. There's a hinge at the bottom. Can you just show the light? Okay. We'll show you this piece of the unit here. I think this is the feeder and the other one is the stacker at the other end. Or this might be the stacker. My apologies, not my focus of specialty. And here's the other unit. And these roller carts at the bottom. We have them blocked on these pallets. And they're ready to ship just with some minor amount of prep.